soundbite, which is why you're starting to see the development and probably a little bit of a clearer picture right now what some of these last-minute battleground states are looking like. We know President Trump has not one, not two, but three events scheduled in Pennsylvania today, and that's one of three states that he won by less than 1 percentage point back in 2016, and that's one that's arguably still within range here for him. So you're going to see him out in Pennsylvania. Joe Biden, who was in Pennsylvania over the weekend, indicated that Pennsylvania could be the deciding factor in regards to this presidential race. So they're putting a lot of pressure on Pennsylvania right now in order to get things done. But that's not the only state. We know Florida is a very tight race, 50% at this point in time likely to vote for Biden, 48 for Trump, and you've seen President Trump there over the weekend, as well as Vice President Pence. You see former President Barack Obama out in Florida over the weekend stumping for Biden, and he will continue through tomorrow making stumps there as well. And now it looks like Georgia is one of those states where it's probably the tightest so far, according to polling there, 49% apiece for the candidates there in Georgia, and that's why you're seeing Joe Biden head off to Georgia here for a couple of different stops over the next couple of days. Now, North Carolina has been thrown in there. We know the vice president was there. That's a tight race as well. 51% supporting Biden, 47 saying they're going for Trump. So we're looking for more stops there, but I'll add one other state that I think we might see get into the mix and possibly become a stopping point as far as battleground states go. Former Texas Governor Rick Perry said yesterday that Trump is not going to visit Texas because it's not a battleground state. That simple. It's just going to be for Trump. However, he said that the same day a poll came out from University of Texas indicating 7.2 million Texans have voted, 81% of everybody